Today I'll be discussing Simonson's equivalency theory, which states that the more equal you can make the learning experience of a distant student to that of a local student, the more equal the outcomes of their learning will be. And here's why this is so important. So first off, it does not say identical learning experiences, it says equivalent. And the difference there is that identical would mean that I'm teaching the same way and that they are getting the exact same experience, which first off is not really possible on distance learning to make it the same as local learning. But also that's not every student is different, and so each student should really be getting an individual learning experience to best fit their needs. So universities and K-12 should really be looking at that, like how are we going to get our students to have the same outcome? We want them to learn these things. We want them to be able to do this. And that really gives them a place to work backwards from. It's kind of like the idea that when you are creating a chapter or you're forming your curriculum, you start with the assessment. What do I want them to be able to do? And then you work backwards. Okay, to get to this end piece, what do they need to be able to do before that? So as far as implementation and development, it really all comes down to that outcome. What do you want them to be able to do? What is the best way to, what are some of the best ways? Because there are more than one way to introduce that topic to a student. Do you want them to be doing labs? Do you want them to be doing papers? What is going to use the student's skills the best to get them to improve those skills?